In this video, we will show you how to change the strap on your Neupulse device. This is your Neupulse device. The strap on the device can be changed by using the quick release pins. To use these pins, place your index finger on the pin and push it down. Then use your other fingers to gently pull the strap away from the device. Do the same to the other side of the strap. To replace the strap, push the pin on the new strap all the way down to the bottom. Place one side of the pin in the hole on the device. Release the lever on the pin and the strap should be fitted. Lightly pull the strap to the side to check it is fitted properly. Do the same to the other side of the strap. Now your strap is changed and this is what your device should look like.